Hello and welcome to Poseidwn Tech. In today's episode, I have this KNX Touch Panel from Iddero. I have created this visualization from one of my clients with KNX scenes, shutter controls, and toggle on-off buttons. Iddero Verso is an advanced room controller with 4.3-inch capacitive touch display designed for visualization and control of KNX installations. It is available in white or black finish and can be installed in portrait or landscape mode. For more details, please visit iddero.com. My Iddero Verso came in this box. Let's unbox it. This is the KNX Touch Panel. The touch panel can be attached to its mounting plate through these magnets. Iddero Verso features 4 multifunction inputs, each of which can be individually configured as push buttons, sensor, or temperature probe. This is the power supply connector. Touch panel requires an external 12 to 30 volts DC power supply. Of course, the KNX bus connector, KNX programming button, and LED. Touch panel has also a USB connector. USB connection is required for uploading custom background images or firmware updates. For the USB connection, you can use the Iddero USB extension cable with part number EKUSB1. Inside the box you will find also the terminal block connectors for multifunction inputs and power supply, a mounting plate, and installation notes. Let's get started with the connections. I will connect the auxiliary output of my KNX power supply with the power supply terminal block. I will connect the KNX bus cable and the power supply. Touch panel is ready for programming. In ETS6, open Catalogs. Select Iddero and add Iddero Verso. Open Parameters. Give a project name. I will select Landscape Orientation. I will enable Send Read Requests at Startup with a small delay. The Iddero Verso user interface is organized into pages. This includes both control pages and fixed function pages, such as the menu or settings pages. I will enable control page 1. I will leave the language to English. I prefer dark theme. For default page after home page, you can select any control page, favorites, or menu where are displaying all control pages. Pages in the user interface can be password protected with a 4-digit PIN code, where you can set it here. There are a couple of options for menu page layout. I will select Flexible Center. In the user manual, you can check all available options. Iddero Verso supports the use of touch gestures for quickly executing up to 5 pre-configured actions. Let's set up the first page. I will give a name. You can also select an icon. For more convenience, check first the Verso icon list. I will select this double bed icon. As page layout, I will select Flexible Center. For this page, I will select 3 components. The first component will be for my scenes. So, component type will be push button. And push button type, choice. I have 4 scenes, so in my case, the number of options will be 4. The option 1 value will be 0, since it will be used to activate my scene number 1. The name of my scene is Bright Scene. For the option 1 icon, I will select this one. Likewise, I will add and the rest of my scenes. If you want to learn more about KNX scenes, please watch my step-by-step tutorial. I will enable also the Show Fixed Icon text. I will name it Master Bedroom. And I will select this icon. The second component will control my curtains. So the component type will be Shutter Control. There are also plenty of icons to choose for shutter control. The third component will control an on-off light. So component type will be push button. Push button type binary and action toggle. I will type button text for off, off. I will select this icon for off. Button text for on, on. And this icon. The last step is to link the group objects with the relevant group addresses. Time for full download. Touch panel is ready. This is the control page we have created. And these are the three components. Scenes, shutter control, and toggle on-off button. Allow me also to install the touch panel on the wall. If you like our tutorials, support our channel by clicking the subscribe button. like and share our videos. And if our tutorials help you to grow your business, become a true member of Poseidwn Tech by clicking the Join button. If you want to learn more about our services, visit our website.